Hi everyone, today I am Dushyant Sivaj from Sukhai Academy is going to share my experience in this academy. And first of all, I would like to say that I have finally got selected for RIMC and I am joining in a short time in this month itself. And I have cleared RIMC with the spirit that was provided to me by the teachers of this academy. And now coming to the point, I have got All India rank 4 and I have been selected from Haryana and I have scored 355.5 marks, and this was only because of the hard work that was done by me and the teachers that have not compiled the work on me, but they have found it very good for me to for them to make me understand the concept. So basically, all of you know that RIMC is about the cradle of excellence, and it cannot be achieved by the ease of you. You need to do a much hard work, and you need also good teachers and a good atmosphere. And if you want to success in RIMC, then you need to also want to go through a period of refreshments. So these things that I have, these all things that I am talking about, I have experienced in this academy. Whether you can talk about the hostel facilities, whether you can talk about the quality of teachers and the facilitation of teachers, and whether it is about the passionation of teacher, all these qualities are in these. All these qualities are in the teachers of this academy, and all the teachers are very much cooperative by nature, and all of them are very motivating factor for all the students who are preparing. And after coming in this academy, I have become more organized and disciplined person. So the thing that comes to the point is that what things I have experienced in this academy in basically in study portion. So there is a quite tough routine in this academy, or you can say that the students who prepare for the RIMC experience a lot of easiness in the timetable that is followed in this academy. So first of all, early in the morning, the English teacher arrives here and asks us for a bit of practice things of English things, and we go through a 2-hour 125 marks English paper. That is the thing that helps us to crack RIMC, and it's not about that only a one paper decides that we will clear RIMC or not. It's about the motivation of teacher that is given by us and the concepts that are cleared by the teacher. So this is not the thing only about English. There is efficiency. There is efficient teachers of maths and GK also, because these two subjects are the main who decides the merit. So academic portion in this academy is also very good, and the facilities that are provided to us in the hostel are also mind blowing. The thing that I was a hostler in this academy, so most of the students experience a problem in the mess portion, that the food given in the academy, whether the food doesn't suits the individual student. But this is not with me, because of the mess because of the food that we are provided by the mess of this academy. So there is a all-round development that is made in this academy, and I and my batch partners enjoyed a lot, and this was the result that this academy have produced 5 brilliant students in RIMC entrance examination, and they have finally got selected. Now I would like to say that the teachers here are means they are teachers also, and they are as well as students, because whenever they get time late at night, they burn midnight oil, and whenever they feel that something is good for individual student, they ask us to speak on that or to think about it, and this is a very good thing that we find easy, and this also helps us in our competitive exam also. So The director of this academy is Shilu sir is also very much cooperative. If you have any problem, you can go to him, and then he'll sort out it by any means. So I would like to say at last that this is the best academy for RMS, RAMC and Sainik School, and this has produced numerous students in RMS, RAMC and Sainik School, and most of my partners have got selected. There is a new batch this time that have come in this academy, and this is not the story of 1 year. Every year the students come and go. Now the thing that comes that most of the students come up with flying colors in their aim. They achieve their aim. This is not that they study and they go to their home, but a bit of students are there also who are passionate about their studies and they work very hard. So I would like to say that please come and visit this academy for your easiness, and you will find the means a spirit of camaraderie. Thank you very much.